Marvel Rivals has no sound. We're fixing your audio on Windows. Takes 2 minutes. If you load it into a match and it's completely silent, your game audio cuts out every time you join a game, or the menus work fine but the sound dies mid-match, this is it. I've fixed this a dozen times. None of this will affect your game or your settings. Right-click the audio button in the bottom right. Open Volume Mixer. Find Marvel Rivals in the list. If it's muted or turned down, unmute it and drag it to 100. Close the mixer, jump into a match, and try it now. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still silent, when you're fully loaded in game, not on the menu, in an actual match, turn your headset off, wait 2 seconds, and turn it back on. This resets the audio connection after the game locks onto a device, and try it now. If that didn't get it, right click the speaker icon in your taskbar, click Open Sound Settings, scroll down, click More Sound Settings, right click your headphones or speakers, click Properties, go to Spatial Sound tab. If it says Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos, open the dropdown and set it to off. Click Apply, launch, launch Marvel Rivals, and get into a match. Try it now. If it's still not working, back in that sound settings window, right click your headphones or speakers, click Set as Default Device. If it already says default, click it anyway. It resets the routing. Then right click again and click Set as Default Communications Device. This looks like nothing changed, but Windows sometimes hands Marvel Rivals the wrong output device. This forces it. Restart Marvel Rivals completely, close it from the taskbar, not just all F4, and try it now. And if that didn't do it, on Steam, open your library, right click Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Takes 2 to 5 minutes. On the Standalone launcher, you can click the bottom right and clear local config and local redundant files. If the verify finishes and sound is still gone, uninstall the game and reinstall. A full reinstall is fixes for a lot of people when nothing else did. Start a match. You should hear footsteps, abilities, and voice lines the second you load in. You just fixed it yourself. Drop a comment saying fixed. It helps the next person find this video. If it's still not working, drop a comment with exactly what you're seeing, what works, what doesn't, whether it's all audio or just voice chat, and I'll help you out.